Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working on some bracelets, and what I am making is boho bracelets. So I'm making these out of material and then like a lot of those little extra beads that I have laying around. Because remember, I was thinking, what can I do with all these extra beads? Just like, random beads all over the place. And I figured out what I'm going to do. I am going to make a bunch of boho bracelets. And then the boho is more so like like whatever it is that you have. And what I did is I used cardboard. So what I did is I took the cardboard and I literally cut, let me use this end. I literally cut strips of cardboard about this size, about this size, and then I just kind of massaged it to where it loosens up a little bit. And then I took it and then kind of measured it according to my risk. And I am going to do some that are smaller because some people have smaller wrists. And then what I did is whatever extra, I cut that off. And then I glued with some E6000 this little piece. And then I began to wrap it with material. So I am going to come back and do a video showing how I make the boho bracelets. And then they just look kind of like, yeah, like boho-ish, just like really chic, really fashionable. Like you just took whatever you had and put it together, and then that's the whole objective of the boho bracelet, to make it look like that. So I even got some leather, put the leather on here, and then I wrapped it with some black cord, not cord, but wire, and then took beads and wrapped the beads around. And then this one, I used that material under there, took a lot of little different beads, and then I wrapped it with some color wire that I had, and then hung some charms on. I might put a couple more charms because remember, I got a lot of beads, a lot of little small beads, so I can make a lot of little charms. And then I used the nylon cord here and just kind of wrapped it all the way around. And then this is what I got. Some boho bracelets. I'm gonna make a lot of these too for when I sell in September. I always like to have a little something not expected. So I'm gonna do these in different sizes. I'm also gonna do where's my mystery boxes? I'm also gonna do some mystery boxes and a lot of sets. So this is what I wanted to show you this morning. And I will come back with a video maybe later on today. So what I was doing was just kind of practicing with these to see how they would come out. And I do like the way that they came out. So I'm going to be making more of these. And I do have like a lot of material around here because I was making something. I don't know what I was sewing, but I was making some stuff. So I do have a lot of extra material. And as you know, a lot of beads. So they're going to be bohos. And then that is it for today. For right now anyway. All right, family. We'll talk soon. Thanks for being subscribers. Thanks for all your comments. Thanks for all your likes. You know what? Just being a subscriber. Just subscribing and saying, you know what? Her channel has something that I want to see. There's something I enjoy watching. And I appreciate that. I really, really do. And it's like I get new subscribers every day. So, that's good stuff. And I hope people are, excited about what they see. And it gives you ideas for creating, something that is just really jazzy, something that is just one of a kind. And that's the whole objective, is to hopefully provoke your creativity, to make something you like, man, I could do that, but I'm gonna do this, that, or the other to it, right? So be sure to like, comment, share with somebody too. If you think there's somebody that is into wanting to start making jewelry, or even if they want to purchase jewelry, unique jewelry, go ahead and share the video. All right, family, we'll talk soon.